Hey all, this is my journal which I have taken part of this WAP, and theme is solving. I have solved this cover by hand. There is a lot of little fabric piece and laces, and I have also solved some little decoration there. This is back. Lot of little details in here. Closer is this trim. I have 70s. I don't know what they call, but you can open it like this, and if it's get bigger you can lose it a little bit. And so cover is envelope, but I have put cardstock between layers so it will be stronger. I haven't put anything in this pocket or anything because I like this paper. There is two signature, and you see it's quite full. So I have used some papers that I have bought in Etsy. All papers are tea-dyed. There is first pocket. I have put some lace between this thing. It's glued down, but you can take this lace out and use it. Also there is some old buttons. This is some lace piece. There I have 17 things, and I have tried save all these. I don't know what they call this, but anyway, lot of saving that I normally don't do. Some papers. There is little pocket. Where is two bags? So I have also stamp up every page. There is lot of lace. There is pocket. I have fussy cut that down. Some ladies and all kind of emperor that I have found from Etsy. There is some vintage lace. This is pocket that I have made from fabric. There is some embroidered there. Some decoration. And these are also set around. There is these little envelopes, and there is these pieces, and also here is something. I have a fussy cut this big flower arrangement in here. It's from Stamperia's paper. Lots of space to write. Some book paper. This is old napkin that I have glued down. You can also write in there. And some emperor. Doily. Text spots there, and also in here. some fussy cut flower arrangement papers. This is belly band, and this is from some craft paper, where is this sampler of different kind of fabric. Some old lace in there. This is middle of the first signature. I have put these little buttons in here. There is a little pocket in there. This is back, so you can put something in here also. And there is also room behind the bag. There is that tag I have made. And other side is same kind. So you have bag in here and place where you can put something in back. And there is little pocket. Here is envelope that I have made, and there is some leftover paper, and behind it is also some flags by Emperor, and I have served it all. Belly band. I have tried make so that all these are some kind of serving them, but I also like these ladies, so there is them too. Here is envelope, and there is some leftover paper and some Emperor. That. And other side is this tag lace. Pocket where I have put some lace there, and there is also something, some lace, book paper, there is pocket, these are from that magazine, some fabric sampler. They are paper but look like fabric. And same is this tag, what make big pocket. There is some paper and also this envelope where is some leftover paper. And anyone who get this can also use these from other journal that they make themselves. There is some trim. This is some piece of fabric that I glue down. Fussy cut picture from old postcard, and this is end of first signature, so this is second one. I have this corner pocket that flip up, and I have made this little booklet in here, so you can also write in there. Little pocket in here, and you can put something in there too. Some fussy cut flowers, and this is also fussy cut some picture. Little pocket, and now it's this time. You can also write in there and behind these. Some stamping. There is book paper. This is a bag that I have made from thin paper. I have stamped there and put this lace and trim here. You can put in the bag or behind the bag something. And these ones were in the bag. Then I have belly band, and it opens like that, so you can write there. And there is also this old emperor. Like so. Some lace, stamping. This is envelope flap that I have glued down, and there is some emperor. There, and here is envelope. This is some old, I don't know what they have made. You can put something in there, and here is also envelope behind. Some little tag place, and also this side. And there is a little pocket. And lace there. This I put some fabric piece in there, and I have this tags in here, like so. This is middle of the, and again old Vintage lace there. Some decoration stamping. There is again this corner pocket that can open. I have some lace and decoration in there, and button. And those are in this pocket. This is old some, I don't know, this is wool this lanka, and I have made pocket from it. So there is this. Oh, sorry. There is a little tag place, and also this side. Some excuse me, belly band. There is again something. This is some beautiful lace thingy that I glued down, so it makes pockets. And there is this emperors, and also little booklet where you can write. Some book paper. There is flip, you can open and write all the way, and there is also pocket in here. Laces again, belly band, long lace, and this is back side. There is also big pocket in here, so you can put something in there. and it's closed down. So that was my swap general, and I hope that someone who get this will like it and also can use it somehow. So thanks you all for watching and see you soon. Bye.